In my garden, I put a tiny injured bird in a cage. Please, please be brave. You are going to live, I said. I didn't feel like raising another Sofie, as the responsibilities and emotions would be too much for me. The tiny bird lay in the cage, shaking and resting. I locked Chica in a bigger cage. Stay there. Thank you for having mercy on the birds around the yard. The bird's mom flew above, and then she came close to the cage. Are you okay, my baby? Come fly with me, the mom invited. By the conversation, I could feel the mom was devastated. At first, the tiny bird didn't want to move. She must suffer from her injured leg. She may even beg her mom to give up. I filled up the water and food dishes. Hope she can quickly recover. The door is open, I reminded the tiny bird. And then I stood back, watching her. The bird's mom came again, the second time, the third time. The fact is that no matter how encouraging the mom was, the baby had to be brave, had to overcome the pain and fear. Persuasion, waiting, the mom insisted. The tiny bird struggled to stand, to move, to jump to the gate. And finally, she flew out. She made it. I was standing in the distance, feeling moved and relieved.